Good afternoon, Angela. This is Ken here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Thank you for inquiring on the all-new 2020 Hyundai Palisade SCL. As you can see, we have your beautiful cascading grills, LED daytime running lights, as well as the headlights. You have your 18-inch alloy rims. You have your LED turn signals, blind spot detection, as well as the proximity key. If you step inside, you'll see the beautiful black cloth interior, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Smart Cruise, LED touchscreen display. And the thing about us here at Tameron is we offer a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, as well as a 10-year, 100,000-mile drivetrain warranty. But here we double that to 20 years, 200,000 miles, and that is exclusively here at Tameron. And again, my name is Ken, and you can phone me at 205-382-4473, and I can't wait to meet you, and you'll love the way you're treated here at Tameron.